In this video, we will learn what is the Image Optimizer and how to use it. Here, when you are in the PostMagic dashboard, in the right-hand side you can see a small image icon. When you hover your mouse over it, you will see the title Image Optimizer. If you click on it, the Image Optimizer will be opened. The function of the Image Optimizer is to optimize your images. What does it mean to optimize images? Let's say you get one image from online or from your camera. The size of these images can often be 1 to 10 megabytes, and images that are 10 megabytes large are generally too big for internet usage. If the images on your website are large, your website loading speed will suffer. Also, if your image size is big, these images will soon take up a lot of space in your PostMagic system. Usually, image optimization requires usage of Photoshop or similar software. Therefore, PostMagic created this system so that our users can avoid using expensive software and so that they can do image optimization from within PostMagic itself. To start the image optimization process, you need to first simply upload your image here in this image optimization area. Click on this button and choose this image. Now that you have opened this image, you have several options depending on how you want to use it. The default is set for the Facebook cover image. You can see that the crop function is already set for this ratio. But if, for example, you want to use the image for Facebook share, click on the Facebook share button here and your crop function will be automatically set according to the necessary ratio. We also have here, for example, Facebook events, Instagram and Instagram stories. So let's say I want to make an Instagram story. Let's click on it here and we can see that the aspect ratio is automatically set according to what is needed for Instagram stories. Let's try Instagram itself. We can see that the ratio here is square. Let's crop it and let's select the area we want to use. And let's now click on crop and download. Once you click on crop and download, the system will automatically initiate the image download function. This image will not only be downloaded with the right aspect ratio, but it will be also optimized with regards to the file size. Let's now see what the difference is before and after optimization. To do this, let's go to our folder. Here we can see that we downloaded this image. Let's see what the optimized image size is. Let's now right-click our mouse. If you use a Mac, go to Get Info, and if you are using Windows, go to Properties. Here you can see that the image size is 54.6 kilobytes. Let's now see our original image. Let's right-click on this one and let's go to Properties, and you can see here that the image size is 154 kilobytes, and this is a big difference. Let's now download an image directly from the internet, for example from FreePic. I'm going to FreePic and I'm searching for some e-commerce related images. Now I will download this free image. Let's now see how large the size of this image is. Let's right-click again and let's go to Properties, and we can see here that the image is 7.66 megabytes large. 1 megabyte consists of 1024 kilobytes, which means that 7.66 megabytes will be almost 8,000 kilobytes. This is not a good size for an image which is meant to be used on the internet. Let's now do the optimization and let's see what size we get after the optimization process is complete. Again, let's go back to PostMagic. Click on the Select Image option and let's choose this big image and click on Open. Let the image upload. Now that the uploading is done, let's choose Instagram and let's crop the image however we want. I think that this area will be best in this case. Let's now click on Crop and Download, and now this image has been optimized. Next, we can check the size of this optimized image. As we can see here, the size of the optimized image is only 251 kilobytes. If you remember, our original image was almost 8,000 kilobytes large. Hopefully this has helped you to understand why and how we should use the Image Optimizer. Thanks for watching.